nangyari dun? Look at this boat. Ah. Kano rent nila dyan, day? Oh? Kano rent nila dyan? Mahigit 2,000 yan, day. 2,000 o 3,000 yan. Re-rent ka, tapos apat lang pala kayo. Tulugi kayo dyan.